Hello, and welcome to Parasoft Selenic. Today, we'll guide you through the process of installing the Parasoft Recorder, recording your UI actions on a demo application, and creating a Selenium test from your recording. Before we begin, make sure you've already downloaded Selenic and unzipped it on your system. Additionally, you'll need the Selenic plugin installed into your IntelliJ or Eclipse IDE. Now let's move on to installing the Parasoft Recorder. First, navigate to the Selenic installation directory. Locate the Recorder directory, and then run the installer. During the installation process, keep all options as default. Once completed, open your Chrome browser and confirm that the Parasoft Recorder Chrome extension is enabled. I like to pin mine to the taskbar. Great. Now we're ready to start our first recording. First, navigate to parasoft.parasoft.com. Once the page loads, turn on the Parasoft Recorder and start recording. You'll notice it's recording when a red record icon now appears over the extension. In this use case, we'll complete a bill pay scenario. Log in by using username John and password demo, all lowercase. Now select bill pay. Here, fill out the form with some fake information. We'll do street, city, state, a zip code, and a fake phone number. Make sure you use the same digits that you use for account as you do for account verify. And we'll put any amount here and select send payment. Great, that was successful. Let's go ahead and log out, and then let's turn off the recording. Go back to the extension, select stop recording, and we're asked a few information here. And let's give our test a name. We'll do Parabank Bill Pay and click Download Recording. Now keep note of where you're saving this file to and select Save. Great. Now we'll go into our IDE where we can create our Selenium test. In this example, I'm using IntelliJ, but you can perform the same actions in Eclipse if you prefer. To create a new Selenium Java project from scratch, go to File, select New, Project, then select Create New Selenium Java from Recording. Find the recording from the location where you saved it. Enter a package name. Enter a class name, and select Next. Now let's give this project a name. I'm gonna give it Parabank. Create. Now this just takes a moment. Great. Selenic has now built the Selenium test for us, but the Selenium test is special because it's using the page object model. You can see we have the test itself and then the necessary page objects. Now run the Selenium test by using the Selenic built-in configuration. The test is now running, and the browser pop-ups come up. Great, and the test is passed. You have successfully recorded UI actions in Chrome and used those to create a Selenium test that uses the page object model. Your enhanced Selenium journey is moving full speed ahead. Thanks for watching.